Get ready to dive into a showdown between two bold contenders, the iPhone Air and the Nothing Phone 3. On one side, the iPhone Air flaunts a sleek titanium frame with ceramic shield protection and a powerhouse Apple A19 Pro chipset. On the other, the Nothing Phone 3 dazzles with a unique Glyph Matrix LED rear display and a Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chip. But which one truly dominates in display quality, camera prowess, battery life, and overall innovation? Will the iPhone Air's dynamic island and satellite connectivity outshine the Nothing Phone 3's eye-catching rear LEDs and flip-to-record features? And when it comes to price and value, who really takes the crown? Stick around because this comparison might just flip your expectations. Which model offers the best bang for your buck and cutting-edge tech? The iPhone Air edges out with a slightly smaller but sharper LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display at 6.5 inches and an impressive peak brightness of 3000 nits, plus Dolby Vision support, making it perfect for vibrant HDR content. Meanwhile, the Nothing Phone 3's 6.7-inch LTPO OLED offers a higher screen-to-body ratio and a unique monochrome LED back display for notifications, but its lower resolution and brightness make the iPhone Air screen superior for immersive viewing. Under the hood, the iPhone Air's Apple A19 Pro chipset, built on 3nm tech, delivers a hexa-core CPU with blazing 4.40 GHz performance cores and a custom 5-core GPU, ensuring buttery smooth operation and gaming. The Nothing Phone 3's Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 is powerful, but built on 4nm with a more complex octa-core setup, slightly trailing in raw speed and efficiency compared to Apple's tightly integrated silicon. When it comes to the main camera, the iPhone Air's 48-megapixel sensor with f1.6 aperture and sensor shift OIS offers superior low-light performance and image stabilization, perfect for crisp, detailed shots. The Nothing Phone 3 compensates with a versatile triple-camera setup, including telephoto and ultra-wide lenses, but the iPhone sensor shift tech gives it the edge in photo clarity and video quality. The iPhone Air shines with its sensor shift OIS and next-generation portrait capabilities, delivering stunning depth control and smart HDR5 for lifelike photos. The Nothing Phone 3's Glyph Matrix rear LEDs add a quirky notification flare and AI-enhanced zoom, but it lacks the advanced optical stabilization that the iPhone offers, making Apple's camera features more refined overall. Battery-wise, the Nothing Phone 3 packs a hefty 5150 mAh battery compared to the iPhone Air's 3149 mAh, promising longer usage times and better endurance for power users who need all-day performance without frequent recharging. In terms of build, the iPhone Air boasts a premium titanium frame combined with ceramic shield glass front and back, offering exceptional durability and a luxurious feel. The Nothing Phone 3 uses Gorilla Glass with an aluminum frame, which is solid but doesn't match the premium materials or toughness of the iPhone's construction. The iPhone Air also scores with IP68 water and dust resistance, allowing immersion up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, plus seamless Apple Pay integration. The Nothing Phone 3 offers IP64 splash resistance and unique blinking rear lights for video recording, but it falls short on full waterproofing and payment ecosystem support. Feature-wise, the iPhone Air supports ultra-wideband for precise spatial awareness and satellite emergency SOS, plus an innovative action button for quick controls. The Nothing Phone 3 counters with its Glyph Matrix rear display for notifications and circle-to-search functionality, but Apple's ecosystem and satellite features provide more practical everyday advantages. On memory, the iPhone Air offers up to a massive 1 TB of storage, paired with 12 GB RAM, catering to power users and creatives needing ample space and multitasking muscle. The Nothing Phone 3 maxes out at 512 GB with 12 GB RAM, which is generous but less expansive compared to Apple's top-tier option. Finally, the price tags reveal a stark contrast. The iPhone Air comes in at $999, reflecting its premium build and flagship features, while the Nothing Phone 3 undercuts it at $800, offering unique design touches and solid specs for less. Is the iPhone Air's higher cost justified by its superior display, chipset, and camera tech, or does the Nothing Phone 3's value-packed approach win your vote?